If you are in mid of the air in a plane and suddenly a volcanic ash starts steering into the plane's body, melting your jet engines, and the pilots can't do anything. Terrifying, right? Well, this story leads about a volcano in Ethiopia, Heily Gubbi, erupted after 12,000 years. This eruption sent ash and debris almost 14 kilometers high directly into the common jet flight's altitudes. And the surprising fact is that in just 72 hours, this ash cloud made its way from Ethiopia across the Arabian Sea and entered the western India, Gujarat. From there, it's drifted towards the northeast through the Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and after that it's moving towards China. But the question is that why is terrifying the aircraft? Well, this volcanic ash is just not a smoke. It's tiny shears of glass and rock dust and cruising in a high altitude. In a jet engine, it melts stick to the turbine blades and dispute the airflow and can make that engine stop in mid-air. That's why the flight of those regions, especially through crossing northwest and the northern India, got cancelled. But the fact is, during this same week of eruption and the ash drift, several parts of the world reported earthquake, extreme weather, storms, a strange cluster of natural events. Well, not necessarily it's caused by that eruption, but it's a reminder to us that the planet is right now unpredictable and unstable. And if you just map the recent volcanic eruption from Ethiopia to Indonesia to the Iceland and finally to the Philippines, then you will almost draw a ring of fire cycle activity around the earth. So it's not just a one eruption, it's a global awakening of rumbling of volcanic eruptions. So imagine a volcano that asleep for millennia erupts. Its ashes crosses the continents, it's threatened the aircraft in mid-air, it's disrupt entire regions, and the world seems to be buzzing with more tremors and climate surprises. Cause no one knows how many more sleeping giants are there are waiting. What if the next eruption is much bigger and more closer to your home? So for this kind of information, don't forget to follow Professor Physics. And now imagine